You can integrate this switch for your old car.
Patrick's Garage. And here we go!
You can upgrade your car with four-way flasher.
If you're interested, then keep watching.
Let's look at wires diagram.
This wires diagram from 60s. This wires diagram from 70s.
So you can easily upgrade safety system for your old car.
Let's look at this switch. This simple pull push type switch. You see, warning. This simple 12 volts switch. Here clamps LR. This means left right turn signals and designated all clamp. Also it works with this blinker relay unit. We connect them this socket to this plug. Germany. Okay.
Inside.
Additional screws was inside. We store it. And look which type of lamp can be best match for this turn signal. Maybe this 5 watts. And let's look how it works. Now we connect 12 volts and look, we check how it works. This lamp, one wire goes for the ground and one for the center of lamp, for the central clamp. Why it not works? Strange, maybe contacts. Rusty contacts very often can be cause that lamp not works. So we directly lamp hook these contacts. Okay, it works. You see what means? This means that these contacts little rusty. So we need little scratching inside these contacts, and after that we see this should works. After that our cleaning procedures. Center contacts very often can be rusty, and you check this. Wow, these remnants of old bulb. We can remove this maybe with pliers. You see, here was bulb, but glass part goes away. We can't can guess weight now. So we clean central. And now we check again. We put into this socket our bulb and check again one wire for the ground and for this clamp. Not enough. Strange little wiggling this our lamp into its socket. So not works. Strange. Of course, why it not works? Okay, we're wiggling this lamp. Okay, and it not works. So you see, was enough to clean contacts. this often problem of all electronic equipment that contacts can be rusty. And let's check this, what we can do with this lamp. Stuck inside this lamp. Okay, maybe with this, our small socket, we can open this lamp. And you see a little rust in the socket, in the lamp. So you see rusty bulb. These lamps very often suffer from water which penetrates inside, and sometimes we need to clean these contacts. So let's see which bulb can be best match for this socket. We check, first of all, we know that we need check the bulb first. Okay, it works. And now we put it into its place here in our turn signal unit and check. Oh, okay, it works. And now this nut works, but here you see ground connects with this ground, and maybe not supplies for our lamp. What can be cause of this? You see wiggling, socket wiggling. If we connect directly to the socket, it works. And when we connect it here for the ground, it not works. So, root of our problem now in this socket. Okay, corn interesting. What we do here? So here you see bulb control. We can check this, our pull push switch. We see a central lamp, works it or not. Patrick, how you think? Works it or not, this switch?
I think works.
Works. Let's connect. And you pull this switch, okay?
Work.
You see a light inside. Bulbs inside works. It's good. Maybe check another. Yeah, works not. Also working lamp inside. And then another with little crack inside. It's not good, but we check it also. Not works. Another switch. We check this. Rusty contacts. Not good, maybe it not works, but we check it. Working or not? What you
Work.
can say? Bulb in working condition is good. Okay. Here we see now the bulbs. We check them. How they works. It works. Okay. We store it as a reserve bulb. So when you want install this switch, you install it as a complete unit with this blinker relay. It is made in Germany by Germans in olden days. So old Volvos in 60s was without these blinker relays. Only from uh, earlier models from 70s was with this relay. In 60s, in late 60s, this was as additional switch, additional function which can install dealer if you want. So keep in mind that these on the dashboard need a lot of room for installing this switch if you want to install it into your car from 60s. Yes, scheme for installing this, and we with this only this blinker relay for this switch, only this, not another blinker relay can fit for this.
Thank you so much for your time. Bye for now.
Bye bye.